All right, so the last bulbs I'll be installing are the T15 bulbs. These are one of the brightest bulbs in the market. It's especially nice for me. I do a lot of off-roading. Reversing is super important. I definitely want to see everything in the back when I'm reversing. Not only are they the brightest, but these are also canvas ready. So what that means is it works with a lot of your advanced computer systems. It won't send any error messages back. So these are great bulbs. I'll pry this open. For the 4Runner, the middle bulb is actually the reverse bulb. So you'll go ahead and click counterclockwise. You can remove the bulb. I'm gonna show you a quick comparison. Huge difference. Make sure you press them all the way in. Stick them back into the hole. Line up the grooves. You'll hear a click when you hit counterclockwise. Put your panel back as so. I will put my subwoofer back. And I will go ahead and come back during the evening, turn everything on, give you guys a sneak peek of how everything looks. All right guys, so it's almost midnight, it's completely dark. This is the first day of installing the Lasfit bulbs. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a video of how the bulbs look. I'm gonna start off with the puddle lights. So they actually activate when I approach the vehicle. This is gonna be the passenger side. As you can see, that's how it lights up. I can already see the inside of the car, so it's not too bright as far as the puddle light. That's the output. Let's go ahead and approach the driver's side. So as I approach the driver's side, let's see. Let me lock the vehicle. It needs to lock while I approach the vehicle. There you go. So as you can see, it's completely bright. You can now see the shoes. It's a big difference. Now let's go ahead and check out the inside. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the map light, which is always on when the door is open. It's the most important light in my opinion, because that's what I use to get in and out of the car at night. And that's how it looks with the OEM bulb. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. I'm gonna turn on the Lasfit bulbs. Wow, look at that. The whole car is visible. It's just super bright. You can actually find things in your car now. Again, with it on inside the vehicle. With the Lasfit bulb. It's really night and day. Let's check it out from the outside of the vehicle. And I do have 20% tint all around. So you can barely see the inside of the vehicle with the OEM bulbs. And with the Lasfit bulb, even with the window tint, you can see inside the vehicle. So it's super bright. You can't go wrong if you're looking for a super bright bulb. This is the door on the driver's side with the Lasfit bulbs. Let's check out. Same positioning, not as bright, really dim actually. Last but not least, I'm going to show you the T15 bulbs on the reverse. These are the bulbs I'm actually most excited about. I'm going to lower that light a little bit. I mean, it's really hard to capture because it's either too dark or too bright, but I can definitely see the flooring when I'm backing up with the T15s. So I hope you guys found this useful. You know, these lights are super bright in my opinion. They're gonna really help me out when I get on the trails. I can't wait to do more testing. Again, this is day one of the lights.